Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. So in today's video is just a autumn chill with me video. So in this video I plan to do some autumn baking, get really cozy, have a nice bath, and yeah, have a really cozy evening with candles and everything. So I've already had breakfast. I had some shreddies this morning, and as you guys would have just saw, I have just made myself a coffee. I have made some frothy milk to go in this, and I've just put some cinnamon in it as well with some gingerbread syrup, and I've just got it in my little cute cup as always. So yeah, also I have a few bits to show you guys today, as I've got some really cute baking bits as well. So I will probably show you guys that later on. And yeah, we are going to bake some brownies today. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So firstly, we are going to start off baking. So yeah, let's go. So this is the stuff I picked up. I just got some classic chocolate brownie mix by Betty Crocker. I also picked up some Lotus Biscoff biscuits, as we are going to be making Lotus brownies. And I just got these in the square ones, so these will go perfect on top of the brownies. So I picked up those. And I also just picked up a little jar of Lotus Biscoff spread as well to go in the middle of the brownies as well. So yeah, these are going to be so delicious. I've seen so many people make these, so I'm so excited to do them. So yeah, I'm also going to light some candles as well before we start. But yeah, I'm super excited to do this baking. So I have just put the brownies in the oven. I've put them on 180 degrees C for 22 minutes, and halfway through I'm going to put the biscuits on top and then put them back in. Honestly, this brownie mix is so unreal. It's so tasty. And with the Lotus Biscoff spread, it's just so unreal. It's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, so after it's baked halfway through. I'm going to put these Lotus biscuits on the top, and then I'm going to put the brownies back in for the rest of the time. So for now, I'm probably just going to finish my coffee and chill out on my phone for a little while, and then come back to the brownies and finish them off. So yeah, let's go. My best bake yet, and yeah, I highly recommend these if you haven't tried making them yet. So yeah, these are really lovely. And I've also got my Oreo hot chocolate. And yeah, I'm just gonna chill out for a little while and yeah. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I just wanted to pop on and show you guys the bacon bits I picked up, as I forgot to show you guys that yesterday. So also I've just made myself a little cold coffee as well, which is really, really nice. So the bits I want to show you guys is this. So I picked up these edible leaves just to go on hot chocolates and stuff like that, and put in cute baking videos to go on cupcakes and just to go on little bacon bits. So how good are these? I thought these were really, really good, so I picked up these. And the other thing I want to show you guys is this, which is pumpkin puree. And I plan on doing some nice autumn baking with this. So I want to do like a pumpkin cake and some cookies and stuff like that. Actually, I'll show you guys what I want to bake. Hang on, let me just get it up on my phone. Baking ideas. So I want to make this pumpkin chocolate chip banana bread. I said that weird, didn't I? But yeah, look how nice that is. I want to make that. And then I also want to make some autumn cookies as well, which look like that. And I also want to make some pumpkin dinner rolls as well. So yeah, look how good they look. So yeah, I really want to do some autumn baking, like dedicated videos. So yeah, I think that would be good. That's why I picked up this pumpkin puree. And I also just wanted to come on as well to end the video. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, sorry for my speaking as it is very terrible at the moment. But if you have enjoyed this video, then don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in my next autumn video. Thank you guys so much as always, and yeah,